Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create sub-bullet points in Google Docs. As you can see, as an example, I have fruits, which is a main point, and underneath I have some sub-bullet points, and you can create as many sub-bullet points as you want. So let's create a new category. I'm gonna name this vegetables. Now to create sub-bullet point, you're gonna press enter once and then tab on your keyboard. And this is going to create this sub bullet point where you can type your data. If I press enter again, it's going to continue in this sub bullet point. So I can type another vegetable, onion. If you want to create another sub bullet point, you can press enter and then tap again. And this is going to create another category. And basically, if you want to close this and you want to go to the third main point, what you can do, you can press enter once, second time, and third time. Depends how many subcategories you have under. If you have only one, you're just gonna press enter 2 times and then you can continue in another bullet point. For this video, I used numbered list, as you can see, but it works same for the bulleted list if you have that too. So I can create one quickly. I can type Slovakia, which is my country, enter, then tab. I'm gonna type main city. And if I want to continue to the next country, I'm gonna press enter 2 times, and now I can type another country. And like so. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.